Ner Malakenyam, Biakamalka Nor Online TV, Bane Rachme Bane Jelling, Kenyam Ner Malakani Dial Konlinka Rachne Guasame. Lerban Linguasame, breaking news, Kawrajan Shialing, Kanemakule la update, Kaki General Simon Gatwech, Quer SPLM IO, kitgwang movement, jen bu ko right no ka ler danan pay lat kimen chanu ka jen gwasame ler bu ko lat gwasame ka kwi general Simon Gatwech kuarente spele mayo pinde roye shala de kuma so Sudan ka jen gwasame shala de wonene general Simon Gatwech balwe gwade me cha kwantin ka gwasedan gwase cha general Simon Gatwech me cha ja kwantin ka gwasedan shit ka me ngayana me shikira kwan nika run te konde shiwa shokula lok shala dan tamma jen baja kwan gwade dan ki baja loy gwade la deputy commander in chief kabon South Sudan People Defense Force re wika South Sudan ene me be ka kor mala me dan shalat ke sonde paiwa ka pot Sudan antama shawraji mo shajalat kuma South Sudan no bigarojwal baloj gwad dana chaje kwantin ala commander in chief ajen deal ki jaroja dana pay la region tama kuma South Sudan ko dobran tigana gorga jen o bi malbata wano ngayena na man wala no me shaje kwan choje logo no ajena kwanje ka kuje mandana kwan ga ja shugu jeno ajena pelgana je ka woda rai ka juba no ko dobe shaon ka je ka gwase dan ajene pen wore yuke juba shi me ngayena me chaje kwanye lo e jen ramdala deputy ke commander in chief re wika South Sudan ka de South Sudan People Defense Force ngwad mo chuo lok chela do chana goro no bawo kon kwaje ka kwaje mandana kwinka gwade na ngayne je gwano trik ne ajene dana lokojo antama ke jen new leadership me ke new agreement pay kwanya ke jen gwasa me che gujeno be yigrai kene kume South Sudan ka do badan dongde malder ben kaje ko ngai kono no tije dongde ko ran tije ngum kana lat kamal tuman peace initiative ngum te raro ka tuman peace initiative jen kene kono wala wo betere malka me latke ne wal gwade dane shawn jen wodera de kam position mo shoje chuluk ka shu wacho chote betado dien sha chu ngajbo chikan Sudan kan laben gwa chu koryo chu to dio jad mukan korkan to ko Sudan dong cheche mal cheche gwa antama jen chikan mal kulu nyoko melat kenam chika agree alo tam tana ko binedi kon tin la jikware ki delegation ba ka jagre wi ka juba ka ta da andere lunjo ko jare wi ka juba agenda nan chala teme kum South Sudan ban je chulin kel gwasame ka to English mengi to English bi chulin the leader of the SPLM kitgwang movement, General Simon Gatwech, is set to assume the role of the deputy commander in chief in the new deal. General Gatwech Press Secretary Nyangoin Gai confirmed that General Gatwech is set to become the next deputy commander-in-chief under the newly signed peace agreement. In a statement, the Government of National Unity and the SPLM IO Kitgwang, led by General Gatwech, announced that the successful finalization of the peace agreement in Port Sudan with representatives from the Sudanese government witnessing the historic signing on February 2, 2025. In a message to the member of the SPLM Kitgwang, the people of South Sudan, and the general public, General Gatwech reiterated that the movement's unwavering commitment to the peace and stability of South Sudan has come. It stated that the SPLM Kitgwang formed in response to the South Sudanese people's demand for peace remain a commitment advocate for the well-being of all citizens. Continuously, defending their right and aspiration. After months of deliberation, peace talk and negotiation, we have successfully come to an agreement. State General Gatwech, while the previous peace agreement collapsed due to a lack of political will, we have now risen above our differences and reaffirmed peace as the key to ending our nation's suffering. The agreement contains several significant provisions aimed at promoting peace and stability in the country. The key points of the agreement are as follows. These are the key points. Number one, SPLM kitgwang advanced delegation will travel to Juba for the operationalization of the peace deal. Number two, the reorganization and training of SPLM kitgwang force into an official military formation. Number three, integration of the SPLM kitgwang force into the National Army and other security forces, including police, national security, wildlife service, and prisons. Number four, the total strength of SPLM kitgwang has been confirmed at 21,000 personnel, with a 12-month timeline for training and reorganization. An extension will require mutual agreement from both parties. Number five, SPLM kitgwang force stationed at headquarters will be ready to travel to Juba ahead of General Simon Gatwech's arrival. Number three, General Simon Gatwech will remain in Port Sudan until Phase 1 of the agreement is fully implemented. Number seven, remaining SPLM kitgwang force will be directed to designated assembly area for a 4-month training period. Number eight, General Simon Gatwech will be appointed as the Deputy Commander-in-Chief of the South Sudan People Defense Force, or SSPDF, through a presidential decree before his arrival in Juba. Number 9. The SPLM kitgwang will receive key government positions at national, state, and country level, ensuring greater representation in the government. Number 10. Both parties have agreed to allocate parliamentary posts in the national and state assemblies. According to the statement, the successful completion of the peace agreement will see the gradual return of General Gatwech to Juba, accompanied by General Akej Tong, Director General of the Internal Security Bureau, and officials from the Sudan's government. However, it points out that the agreement is contingent on full implementation within a 12-month period. Should either party fail to meet the agreed upon term, the SPLM kitgwang reserve the right to withdraw from the deal and nullify all associated provisions. We must remain united in this crucial moment for our nation, General Gatwech concluded, emphasizing the importance of moving forward with the peace process. Jan Shaling and General Gatwech dual jen ba wa re wech ka Juba ka kor gwasan be kan poni dang wela ti ka din kona shalat en ba police ne ke ki de ne ke kan dial ba lat gwan ken chet ka mangai kon metropolitan tende cha nge ba mare police ni nere kon bute national security ba latin nere kon bute den ba latin anyok re parliament ka ba na ba latin ke state level and county level kan wi dial content re wi ki South Sudan anyok komdaman kam ka je ala chief deputy commander in chief jeno ba kame ko jen biya kwere rodo mo ka South Sudan People Defense Force ajero yadan go de nywa yekel ban mu dien ban len link ko gwasen be du no men gwatem a wojen chala do ba bere wi ka South Sudan Kenya ma ken ben ba de yalla kon inshallah ken nying mal ka ba kon lat ba ko lu njok ajena dan inshallah no mo biya temal